be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I know I'm a little late bringing this one to you, but I was able to hit on this pair of shoes when it released about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks ago. I was able to hit on these. I got these from Dick's Sporting Goods. Alright, I was not able to hit on sneakers, unfortunately, but DSG held it down for your boy. So let's go ahead and get into these. Alright, see that box, classic box. We're all very familiar with this box. Alright, these are the Air Jordan 5 Retro. Colorway is black and racer blue. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into these, man. One of my favorite Jordan silhouettes, man. The Jordan 5. Alright, fun fact is when I actually started collecting shoes, the Jordan 5 was the second Jordan that I got in that collection. I actually had a Jordan 12 before I started collecting, but I didn't really know what I had at that point. I had the Jordan 12 Obsidians. I still have them. I still have that pair. Oldest pair of shoes in my collection right now. I got the Jordan 8s, the Bugs Bunny 8s, and then after that I got a pair of the, was it the Grape 5s? The Grape 5s. The Grape 5s was the first pair. So Jordan 5s hold a significant, special place in my heart, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Man, these are nice. These are nice right here. Let's shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, man. Super reflective. Super reflective. Super reflective. But these are the Jordan 5 Racer Blue. It's sort of looking purple in the camera, but I swear to you, this is blue. This is straight blue. Yeah, it sort of looks a little purple looking at it through the lens here, but in person, this is definitely blue. This is definitely blue, especially when you look, you know, at the back here and you look at the inside there. Of course, that inside with the Air Jordan there. You see that Air Jordan on the back. Your Jumpman. Everything that you see here going on in there. That netting on the side there. Typical Jordan 1, man. These are almost like, these almost remind me of the Grape 5. The black Grape 5s. That's what these remind me of. And just instead of it being truly purple and the teal and everything, it's straight black and blue. But nonetheless, I dig them. I feel like this is a very wearable Jordan 5. Look at the tongue there. And then you have your lace lock here. Clear with the blue there. Alright. Very nice. Very nice. On the inside, you have your, let me open it back up. Open it up a little bit. On the inside, you have your blue insole with your white Jumpman and your size tag there. All right. As I mentioned before, the Air Jordan on the back with the blue inside of the tongue, the back side of the tongue. All the rest of the shoe is the black. So that's very nice. And that's a nice material, man. Nice material all around. That was that suede material going all around the shoe. So pretty smooth, man. Pretty smooth, especially for somebody like me that wears a lot of black and blues. You know, this is gonna go with pretty much anything that I have in my collection. Just about. Icy bottoms, blue Jumpman there, black was that Jordan on the center, large oversized Jumpman there, smooth on the black here. I feel like there used to be some grips, like some nubs or something at the top of that. Am I tripping? I might be tripping. Let me grab a different pair. No, nothing? Huh. This says Nike on the bottom. This is those red boys. Nike Air on the back. Jumpman on the back there. I see people talking about this difference all the time. If it's not the same, if it doesn't have Nike Air on the back or the Jumpman. Nah. It's cool, I guess, if you have the authentic, you know, Nike Air on the back versus the Jumpman, but I don't think that makes the ones that don't have it any less cool. Like they're not trash because of it. What I do think is weird is that the Air Jordan on here isn't upside down like it is on this one. This one is upside down. So I believe it's always like that. It's usually always upside down. But this one is not. You just turn your shoe around and you instantly see Air Jordan. So that's a little bit of a difference there. But beyond that, man, very dope shoe. Very dope shoe. Very rockable shoe. I would recommend it if you're looking for this shoe. If you can find it at a good price, I would say to go ahead and cop that. Definitely very, very wearable. You know what I mean? But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. I was able to hit on something else that should be coming in very soon. And I will holler at you all in the next video. Peace.